Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the exciting world of paint color trends for 2023. If you are looking to update your home's color palette or simply want to stay ahead of the curve, this video is for you. So let's explore the paint color trends that will be making waves in 2023. One of the top paint color trends for 2023 is serene blues. These calming shades evoke a sense of tranquility and peacefulness. Look for soft and muted blues like dusty sky blue or watery turquoise. These colors work beautifully in bedrooms, bathrooms, or any space where you want to create a soothing atmosphere. Earthy neutrals are set to take center stage in 2023. These warm and grounding colors bring a sense of nature indoors. Think earthy browns, warm taupees, and soft grays. These neutrals are versatile and can be used as a base color or paired with bolder accents. They work well in living areas, dining rooms, and home offices. If you are a fan of soft and dreamy hues, you will be delighted to know that playful pastels are making a comeback in 2023. Think sweet pinks, minty greens, and light lavenders. These pastels add a touch of whimsy and romance to any room. They are perfect for nurseries, bedrooms, or even as accent colors in a contemporary space. Moody greens are another paint color trend to watch out for in 2023. These deep and rich greens such as forest green or emerald create a sense of opulence and drama. They work well in spaces where you want to make a statement such as dining room or study. Pair them with brass or gold accents for a luxurious touch. Warm terracottas are set to make a bold presence in 2023. These earthy red-orange hues evoke a sense of warmth and coziness. Look for terracottas with a hint of brown or pink undertones. They work beautifully in kitchens, entryways, or as accent colors in a bohemian-inspired space. Highly sophisticated grays continue to be a popular choice in 2023. These timeless and versatile shades are perfect for creating a modern and elegant atmosphere. Look for warm grays with hints of beige or taupey. They work well in any room, from living areas to bedrooms, and can be paired with both cool and warm-toned accents. And there you have it, the paint color trends of 2023. From serene blues and earthy neutrals to playful pastels and moody greens, there is a color trend to suit every style and preference. Remember, paint is a powerful tool that can transform your space and set the mood. So don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with these trends. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe for more home decor tips and inspiration. See you in the next video.